Hi friends, now I will tell you about our reproductive system, the second part about the safety, precautions and the results of a sexual intercourse between the two sexes. The process of sexual maturation is gradual and takes place while general body grows still and is not fully grown. Therefore, some degree of sexual maturation does not necessarily mean that the body or the mind is ready for sexual acts or for having and bringing up children. All of us are under many different kinds of pressures about these issues. They can be pressure from our friends for participating in many activities, whether we really want it or not. There can be pressure from families to get married and start having children. There can be pressure from government agencies to avoid having children. In this situation, making choices can become very difficult. We must also consider that possible health consequences of having sex. Diseases can be transmitted from person to person in a variety of ways. Since the sexual act is a very intimate connection of bodies, it is not surprising that many diseases can be sexually transmitted. STDs they are called. These include bacterial infections such as gonorrhea and syphilis, and viral infections such as rots and HIV/AIDS. It is possible to prevent the transmission of such diseases during the sexual act using a covering called a condom for the penis during sex, which helps to prevent transmission of any of these infections to the other person or the female partner to some extent. But even then, condoms are not 100% safe. Now, even female condoms are available. The sexual act always has the potential to lead to a pregnancy. Pregnancy will make major demands of the body and mind of the woman, and if she is not ready for it, her health will be adversely affected. Therefore, many ways have been devised to avoid pregnancy. These contraceptive methods fail in a number of categories. Fall in a number of categories. One of these contraceptive methods is creating a mechanical barrier so that the sperm does not reach the egg, and that is the condom. Another category of contraceptives acts as by changing the hormonal balance of the body so that the eggs are not released and fertilization cannot occur. These drugs commonly need to be taken orally as pills. They are called contraceptive pills. However, since they change hormonal balances, they can cause side effects too. Other contraceptive devices such as the loop or the copper T are placed in the uterus to prevent pregnancy. Again, they can cause side effects due to irritation of the uterus. If the vas deferens in the male is blocked, sperm transfer will be prevented. If the fallopian tube in the female is blocked, the egg will not be able to reach the uterus. In both cases, fertilization will not take place. Surgical methods can be used to create such blocks. While surgical methods are safe in the long run, surgery itself can cause infections and other problems if not performed properly or hygienically. Surgery can also be used for removal of unwanted pregnancies. This is called abortion. This may be misused by people who do not want a particular child, as happens in illegal sex selective abortion of female fetus. For a healthy society, the female male ratio must be maintained because of reckless female infanticide. Child sex ratio is declining at an alarming rate in some sections of our society. Prenatal sex determination has been abolished by law. Also, Our religious teachings tell us that abortion is like a murder and we should not do it. Reproduction is the process by which organisms increase their population. The rates of birth and death in a given population will determine its size. The size of the human population is a cause for concern for many people. This is because an expanding population makes it harder to improve everybody's standard of living. However, if inequality in society is the main reason for poor standards of living for many people, the size of the population is relatively unimportant when poverty is prevailing. Friends, this is all I could tell you about the safety measures, the precautions, and the results which can happen if a male and a female has sexual intercourse. I hope you were able to understand in my simple words what are the consequences of having sex in this second part of our reproductive system in the second video of mine. I hope you liked my explanation. If you like, do like, comment about it below, share and subscribe. Take care and lots of love to you all. Bye.